And we are back. It is day 8. We survived the horde. We haven't died yet. We've come pretty dadgum close, but we've got ourselves a little mini horde going on over there. Some of them I think might have noticed us, and others haven't. So we're going to try to get their attention a little bit more intently. Except for that one. That one can go somewhere else. And let's get something from here. Wait, is this the dysentery one? That's efficient digestion. Yes, we're gonna drink one of those. Use eat that. Eat that. Eat that. And this is how it's going down. Sorry, lady, I don't have that much stamina to put you out of your misery very effectively, so you too either, sir. I'm doing my best, though. I really am. Oh. Okay. Alright. Now, I know, while we wait on the rest of these guys, that I had some of this. Some of this, and some of those rocks. What else? Paper? Is it rocks? And paper. I have more rocks. Yes, I do. Okay, let's just go for recipes. Blunderbuss. Paper. Yeah. No, paper. Nope. Paper. We're gonna make some more blunderbuss ammo. Recipes. I don't think anybody else noticed us. I tried real hard to be like noisy and annoying, but I'm not going to use all my ammo. So what we'll do, any of those guys drop loot bags? No. Just go over here and handle them one at a time. Hello. There's a crawler over there we need to be careful about. Oh, missed. I don't like the crawlers at all. He's getting closer too, isn't he? Nothing else, he's persistent. Alright. Well, there's this guy. I definitely don't like him. Well, he was a little bit easier than I expected. Thought that was a rock. Alright. We made some more blunderbuss ammo. Let's get rid of some of this stuff, and then we need to go. I don't know where, but we gotta go do something. Alright, cans go there. You can go here. You can go here. Those are... I need to half that. No. Actually, repair, 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 and if we really need something, we can always find some more rocks. But for now, we're out of food, and yeah, we're out of food. So we need to go find some. You know what? There is a gas station and some houses right up there. It'll give us a chance to go this way. See? Rocks. Natural resource. That was nice. I should have actually looted that on the way back, because now I have to carry it all the way over there and all the way back. Brilliant! I'll be back for it. Nice. I didn't bring any money. How much you want to bet that works? Yep. Well, let's just hope we get some money. Alright. Ugh. Yes. Where was it? Can of pasta. Bye. Chicken soup. Bye. We're doing alright. I heard somebody else. There he is. In the store. Oh. Oh. Let's not go over there. Come here. I still got lots for you. Come on over. Alright, you're done. Yes. That was a good find, because guess what I forgot to bring? The knife. Oh my gosh. We need a hammer. We can make a workbench if we just get a hammer. Okay, yeah. That's actually not a very useful book right now. Alright. Man, I wish that wasn't destroyed. Let's look. What else? No. Oh my gosh, it works. That is an amazing find. Come here, bird. Come here. No. You first. Come here. Oh, really? Alright. Didn't bring that Lucky Rita candy with me. That's a shame. Alright, well. What do we got? Nope, not the right ammo. That is a Shotgun Messiah crate, though. And that was also some antibiotics we just got. Alright. Did you see that? 24 repair kits. 24. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Don't get me wrong. I'm really happy about that. But, wow. Alright, we got that. Let's go down here. Alright. Is there anything behind these? No. Okay. Well. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no, that's still better. 14 and 26. 14 and 26. Is that with the modifier? Modify. Alright. 13 and 25. Okay. Modify. Complete. Put this back there. Scrap that. Oh, let me scrap this too. Yeah. Let's bring this guy down. Alright. We're doing alright. Let's do this. Wasn't gonna do it, but scrap it. Oh, that one doesn't work. The car's dead. Alright, let's go back to the Never mind. Never mind. Wow. We don't have the ability to kill that bear at all. Okay. What happens is if we get up here and go to shoot him, he'll get under here where we can't get him. Jeez. What a way to run a day. Let's go over there. I mean, we could empty our gun and both of our blunderbusses into it, and it would still just be like, hey, how you doing? I'm gonna eat you. I'm just gonna loot this stuff before we go in the house. I'm gonna scrap that. Weird noises. Okay, the problem was I hit the dang door frame. You know, it'd be really nice if there was food in this kitchen. Like, real nice. Empty cans. Coffee. Empty bottles. The air of Scotland. I need that, thank you. Alright, scrap, scrap. Nada. Wow, a whole lot of nothing, right? This was a bad idea. Alright, well, let's get down there. Let's get out of here. Wolf, wolf, wolf. You know what? Oh. That's exactly what I'm talking about right there. I think it's time for us to head back. We have a full inventory, and we got some other things to pick up in a car. And we have a bear to avoid. He's not getting back. Oh! Alright, he was getting back up. Airdrop. Really? Oh no, I don't think so. Not today. I already have a plan for today. We're going to take all of these with us, and this thing right here. We're going to go break into a safe with our lucky looter candy. And we're going to hopefully get some good stuff. We'll see. You know, the other thing we need to do is see if I actually leveled up and spend those points. I don't recall whether I did or not. And then last thing we need to do is go harvest a bunch of cement from Working Stiff Tools. Oop. I guess so tired he can't jump. No, that wasn't it. That was just me failing. Okay. Actually, let's go here. No, it's in the bottom of this one. Yep. Okay. Keeping this, keeping this, keeping this. Oh, oil goes there. Extra tools. Right there. Put these here. I know that's going there. Selling that. Alright, let's get the fat. Egg, meat. You know what? We need to cook some meat real quick. Before we do anything else. recipes, jarred meat. Minute and 20 seconds. Minute 44 is already in there. Cool. Do I have coffee? Nope, I haven't kept it yet. Okay, that can go here, that can go here. There's a mod. I believe that's an armor mod. Try this again. These two can go on that one. I need to get rid of that. I'm gonna get rid of these two. In fact, let's just do it. Wait, what did I just do? Is there sunglasses goes here? This goes here. I'm actually thinking about getting rid of the bow and arrow. Yeah, for now. Let's get rid of the money. Alright, that's pretty bare bones. Now, oh, I know what. Where's that? Give me that. Scrap that. Let's put this with the tools. Yeah, down there at the bottom. Get that. Alright, now let's get this. We've got these. We've got that. We need food. Now we have food. Alright, let's go. Go into that house over there to get into that safe. Yes! We got an 8K, guys. Alright. Let's eat a piece of meat. I am so happy. What do we got in the way of ammo? 150? That's fine. That's perfect. I own a crossbow. I'm just gonna actually, if we get a crossbow, I will use it for certain things at certain times. And let's just go ahead and finish cleaning up. And then we'll go take care of some other business. That's a level 5. I'm gonna put the blunderbusses away for now too. Alright. We actually don't need this either at the moment. We didn't put that on anything. We need to. If we're gonna put the blunderbusses up, we can put that up. That's a nice level 6 bow. It's not showing me. This thing is still in the way and I can't see it. Oh well. Yeah, one of those bows will probably get scrapped. You can't sell them. And I'm going to get rid of half of these guys. Actually, more than half. Because I don't need them. Let us put this on some armor. And then let's go. Modify. Well, let us put it on with that. So we have to pick something different. Let's just have a second. Nope, can't put it on with. Oh, yeah, we can. Okay. Alright. Looking good. Let's go dig up some concrete. We got our shovel, got our pistol. Let's load our AK. We were going to look look at our points. We have 3 available. You know, where is it at? I'm getting real tired. I'm not tired. So here we go. That's just the way it is for right now. And I'm going to put a point in cardio, probably next. And the reason why I'm doing this now is because I've got an AK and I've got a pistol. My Lucky Looter is at level 4. I do need to get it up. Right? Oh. Yeah. No, it's at 5. We're good. Yeah, I can put my points wherever now. And our loot will just continue to get better as our game stage goes up too. So there's that. You know, lucky goggles. That helps. And then the candy, the Lucky Looter candy, whatever it's called. It's important to remove these. You'll remember removing it, but if you pass it, you'll be like, did I take everything out of that? And then the answer will be, I don't know, maybe I should check it. So you'll detour out of your way to check it. Alright, we're coming back here on day 10. Well, 11 at this point, because we just got back into it and that reset it. Well, dang. Let's do a little inventory management. Alright, let's go over there and look and see if there's a boar. If there's a boar there, then we can make it a meal for us, and we can also reloot the place. Alright, what about the boar? Hey, buddy. No? Oh, I remember I stopped and got him and a little bit of stuff in the back. What about... These guys will just... Uh-oh. We need... some stamina. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Let's do that again. Yeah. Alright. empty. No, we better leave. I don't know. I do want to check it. Empty. And we may have just screwed this one. It may be another 3 days before we can loot it again. We'll have to remember that. Well, I'm going to head back to... head back to base, since it's right here, and I'm going to call it quits for today. And I will pick up where we leave off with you all later. Please do consider hitting that like button if you like this. I mean, if you watched it this far, you must have liked it. And subscribing, because I will be putting out more content. And I should probably mention that my 20th subscriber is going to get a surprise. Or not the 20th, but when I get 20 subscribers, there's going to be a drawing, and one of you guys is just going to get something nice. And then, if you really like me, share my content on your social media. That's pretty much all I've got for you today. We're going to put this away, and we're going to modify this. Y'all have a good one.